Good thing this is a truck. You're going to need it to bring home all the trophies. This is beautiful, in and out, top to bottom. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com to get all the pricing and specs on this vehicle and a few hundred other collector cars, and they're all for sale. Also, we have financing, shipping, plenty of ways on there to contact us. They have a whole staff of people every day here willing and able to help you out and get in your dream car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be pushing another big batch of videos here, and that's the best way to see them first. So let's take this 1954 F100 for a spin. Obviously, a show truck. Again, top to bottom, it's done. Photos on our website you can look at. Shows the whole underneath. It's got a Mustang 2 independent front suspension, disc brakes at all four wheels. Back it has 4-link suspension with coil-over shocks. It's got a stainless steel exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. It's got coated headers. It's a 351 Windsor motor, automatic, power steering, rack and pinion power steering, power brakes. So it's a beauty. I love the latches, nice latches here. Nice piece of carpet, all sewn, and underneath is wood with stainless trim. The gas filler's been relocated, all painted beautifully. So that's a real nice bed. I better close it just in case it hits the wall. Inside the truck is really nice, comfortable. Couple bucket seats, console, beautiful dash, tilt column. Everything about the inside is fantastic. It's got a Frenched antenna right here. It's got some nice custom door handles. Mirrors are stylish. Obviously, a custom paint job that's beautiful. Offset wheels. I think they're 18s in front, 20 in back. Nice big chrome bumper. Now the hood is custom. You pull it forward, and then it tilts. Nice custom touch. So again, a 351 Windsor. It's got a polished aluminum intake with 2 Edelbrock carbs on there that are chrome plated, MSD ignition, billet brackets, aluminum water pump, chrome alternator, aluminum radiator, and the overflow tube, 2 electric fans, nice headers, tubular suspension, control arms up front. It's all smooth, all painted real nice. All new glass, it's tinted. All the seals, weather strips are all new. Chrome latches, got retractable seat belts. Look at all the hardware's new. Carpeted really nicely. Nice tail lights. This is all smooth. Let me fire it up for you. Love that polished column. The seats are comfy. Even the pedals are nice billet pedals. It's got the shift indicator, the light up shift indicator, tell you what gear you're in. Stereo. The dash is painted just as nice as the outside of the car. Nice clean set of gauges. That's got a nice sound. Very nice truck. Everything fits real nice. Must be a power antenna. It just went up by itself. Boy, that sounds nasty. Everything about it is just tastefully done. There's nothing hokey, nothing tacky. The guy did a really nice job not only building it, but the thought that went into it, the design of it. Beautiful truck. Trucks are doing very well, so go to our website, volocars.com, before someone beats you to it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Plenty of great videos to come. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.